Choosing a forging process for a critical component is not just a manufacturing decision. It is a buyer risk decision. A part may meet dimensions, mechanical properties, and delivery targets, yet still create audit or service risk if the wrong forging route was selected upstream. Buyers first evaluate what makes the component critical. Does it carry fatigue load, pressure, temperature, vibration, or mission risk? Is it difficult to replace in service? Will the program run for years? These answers decide whether the process must prioritize grain flow, deformation depth, tolerance, repeatability, or documentation. Closed die forging may be preferred when geometry is complex, contours are repeatable, and grain flow must follow specific features. Open die forging may be preferred for large sections, heavy reductions, shafts, blocks, and custom low-volume parts. Ring rolling may be preferred for seamless rings where circumferential grain flow, ID and OD consistency, and material efficiency matter. But buyers do not stop at process labels. They ask whether the supplier can justify the route, control temperature, prove reduction adequacy, plan machining allowance, and support inspection depth. They also check whether traceability, heat treatment, and certification requirements survive the complete route. The best supplier is not the one that simply says, "We can make it." It is the one that can explain why the chosen forging process fits the load, geometry, material, compliance requirement, and lifecycle risk. This is why critical buyers prefer suppliers that connect engineering, material control, special processes, machining, inspection, and documentation inside one accountable system. The stronger the control, the lower the qualification risk.